Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Alright, today we're talking about how to make money as a teenager, as a nomad, a digital nomad, or as a freelancer, okay? So use MetaMask and start to make money. So the video is going to be short somehow. I'll do my best, but after that see my other videos because I have different tutorials on how to farm some airdrops. Okay, so the best thing is right now to work on these three big airdrops. So I'm talking about MetaMask, I'm talking about Base, as in Coinbase token. Coinbase is gonna issue a token and is gonna give a very generous airdrop. And Monad, remember, Monad, Base, and MetaMask. Okay, these three airdrops, they're gonna be huge. I'm telling you, the biggest amount of money that you're gonna get out of these, just because they have a huge hype. And this is the new wave. Everybody's minting a token. It's creating a new chain. Okay, a new uh, their own blockchain with a lot of speed and low transaction fees. All right, Monad, in my opinion, is gonna be the Solana killer, the Ethereum killer. So Monad, I guess it will deploy their own mainnet on the 30th of September, but it's still time for you to farm their airdrop. But let's start with the first one. All right, first get your Monad thing, okay, the MetaMask. But no, let's go through first things here. Okay, MetaMask, the best thing. Let me go here and remember, first let's do this on MetaMask, because MetaMask as a company will issue their own token. They issued already the MetaMask US dollar, which is MUSD. That's the symbol MUSD, if you can see it here. It's a stable coin. Okay, the value is $1. Okay, but the point is this: go to your MetaMask, go on Linea mainnet. Okay, so again, go on Linea, send there on a little bit of Ethereum for gas fees, okay, because they're gonna use these Ethereum small gas fees on the Linea network. Buy a little bit of Linea, okay, from, let's say, use PancakeSwap, okay, and buy a little bit of MetaMask. Do these, buy small amounts. Look, I got $1.84 in Linea, like I have 70 Linea tokens. I got a little bit of Ethereum and a little bit of 70 cents of MetaMask. But do this every day. Do this, what I'm telling you. Go to swap, okay, and sell a little bit of, like, juggle these things in here. You have MUSD. No, let's sell Linea a little bit and buy. Remember, juggle these. MUSD. Again, in the future, Linea will give away a little bit of airdrops, okay? But MUSD, just because you're dealing with MetaMask in their own swap thing in the wallet, all right? You will get some transactions, and these transactions is gonna qualify for you to get an airdrop. Free money, easy money. All right, let's say I have 70. Let's do 15.08. Okay, so I'm selling 15 Linea tokens to get 39 cents of MetaMask US dollar. Okay, so have a look. I'm going in here. Remember what I'm telling you. Go to slippage, click on this pen and set slippage, because it's set on 2%. No, don't lose this money. On any transaction, be aware, because if you're dealing with bigger money, 2% is too much. So set it at 0.5% and submit. Do this, okay? Watch out. It's fetching the quotes. Okay, so again, I'm selling 15 linea for 39 cents and submit. Come on, it should approve. Have a look. Okay, confirm transaction. Okay, and it's pending and should give me another confirmation. So I got 39 transactions already on Linea and transaction 40th. Okay, so I got 40. Okay, again, I click on tokens. And again, I'm advising you that every day do few transactions. Swap from left to right. Swap Linea to Ethereum, Ethereum to Metamask, Metamask to Linea, Metamask to Ethereum. Juggle these three things. The transaction fees are very low, are about 4 or 5 cents. Pennies, pennies, pennies. So don't be afraid. Do this because it's a huge chance that MetaMask will give us hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars. I'm expecting big airdrop just because of my transactions. So again, after that, I'm going to check. So this was for MetaMask. Okay. Then we know the news that Base is gonna issue their own token. Okay. So we have to farm a little bit of Base. So I'm advising you to go here and read the news all the time on Twitter, on X. Then get yourself a name on base.org/names. Get yourself a name as a domain name. Okay, just to give you an example of a name, it's jfrankfurt.base.eth. Okay, then go in here. All right, have a look. Go on on-chain score.xyz. All right, look, this is my MetaMask. I copy my account, the address, and I'm going in here on-chain score, and I enter manually to double check my chances of winning some good airdrops. And I paste this here and I go submit. Look, because I have 79 transactions on Ethereum and Base, okay, I'm getting a score of 38 out of 100. It's an okayish score. All right, so do this and you will know what's all about. Then go to wenser.xyz. Okay, same story. I'm putting this in here. I'm pasting my wallet address. Control V, and I'm checking these. All right, so it's thinking, and it tells me that come on. All right, so it tells me that total contracts interaction I have 79. I've been trading about $3,900 on Ethereum, and the point is this: I'm eligible of badges, so I'm getting a badge, but I'm getting 24 out of 56. All right, and have a look. I'm eligible to. I'm on-chain citizen. I have a fresh wallet. I'm an on-chain relic eligible. I'm a night owl. I get a badge. I'm crypto native. For older than 150 days, I'm eligible. So in the future, I'm going to claim these. Okay, just have a look. So I'm a tiny whale and I'm on-chain trader. All right, so I'm eligible to all of these. So again, I'm guessing that having all of these, I'm gonna get some base token. So I'm farming base. In the future, I'm gonna do a lot of transactions. Now that was the base thing. So jump from Linea with MetaMask, then base, and then let's go to Monad. Okay, go here, custom, go to Monad and have a look. My advice to you, use the faucets. There are different companies which are giving you Monad tokens. My balance on Monad are 12 monads .48, okay, and I created so many tokens, and I advise you to create your own meme token. Look, I have GPTX, and I'll ask you kindly to go Shark. It's Shark Street, and you will see in here the symbol is SHRK, and go in here, create your own. In here you can create, if you go in here and you go on hyperboard, you can you will be prompted to create your own meme coin. But so far I'll ask you to search for SHRK, which is the shark. So it's the Shark of Wall Street. You have in here the picture, the address, you'll find it in here. Okay. The point is that I'm king of the hill since June. Okay. And have a look. I'm closing to the end of the bonding curve, so they will probably promote me. The point is these: do every day one or two small transactions. Buy this and sell it. Buy and sell, buy and sell. Don't be afraid. You're not going to lose anything. They are monopoly money. They are faucet money, monad, with, look, MON, which they have no value. Okay, we're just testing these, but we're going to get a lot of rewards, I'm telling you. So I'm going here 0.2, no, sorry, let's see, 0.44. Okay, so I'm getting 148,000 Sharky. Okay, so have a look. It's place the order. So I'm buying. It's prompting me, but have a look at one point what I'm saying in here. Come on, MetaMask. You will see that on Monad there's a lot of websites that you can interact with. Okay, so one of these, it will give you the best. Come on, come on, come on. My internet is very slow. Come on. Oh, restart. No, it's killing me. It should. No, forget it. The point is this: I'm buying this and I'm selling it. I'm buying it, I'm selling it. The point is, create, because you will get as a you'll get a lot of points just because you're interacting and you created your own smart contract. All right. So do your own due diligence. After that, I'm telling you, you will get a lot of good money, because Monad will be one of the biggest chains in the world in the next few weeks. On the 30th, I'm expecting for them to deploy their own mainnet, and they'll be so generous and it will grow so fast organically that every monad that I'm getting as a reward for my farming, it will be glorious, I'm telling you. So let's recap. The best thing is go and farm Base, go and farm Metamask on Linea, okay, and go on Shark, on NAD, so it's testnet.nad.fun, okay, so remember these. And not just that, go and trade, be ready, have an account on MEXC. Just a second, and I'm going in here. Okay, look, use these. This is my referral link. It's my code. It's 3UVMD. Okay, use and create an account on MaxC, just because I'm telling you, in the first day when Monad, and I'm expecting to be on the 30th, so there are just about 12 days to go. One of the first exchanges that will have Monad to trade is going to be MaxC. So use these, I'll put it in my description, use MaxC to buy Monad in the first few minutes of their deployment. On TGE, like the token generation event, like when they gonna um, start trading Monad, be the first in the first few seconds. If you see that the price is correct and it feels in your gut that you catch an excellent price, I'm telling you, buy it. Don't be afraid, because organically will go to the moon. It's the best chain possible, the best token you will see. It will kill Solana, it will kill Ethereum, it will kill Bitcoin. You will see a lot of liquidity drained from all the altcoins and Bitcoin to jump on Monad. All right, so that's kind of it. Thank you very much and have a profitable day.